that in itself was a unbelievable experience. Working with Ram Gopal Verma, that point of time was like a dream come true for any actor. And on top of it, the kind of role I was playing, Bukka Reddy, Obul Reddy's character, real life. Yeah, so that was really something. But the moment I landed here, I started shooting in Ramoji Rao Film City. I could assume, I could gauge that I'll be coming here time and again.
But how you get connected? I just wanted to know Ram Gopal Verma sir and you about this Rakt Ritma. How you get connected, both of you?
I don't know. I got a call from a PR guy. He told me that Ramoji wants to meet me, and he gave me his number. And when I went to meet him, he said, "Okay, what have you done in Gulal?" And then he just did a photo shoot with me, and then he finalized me. Then when the film got over, I just happened to meet an assistant director. He started asking me that, "Sir, do you know how your casting was done?" I said, "No, how it was done?" He said, "Sir, I'll tell you. We had just finished this film run. The post production was going on, and they just wanted to have dinner, and they came to a restaurant, and that was full. There was a queue and all. So Ramoji hated it. He said, "I can't wait for nuts, yeah. Just to eat, I can't wait in a long queue. Let's go somewhere else." But before he could move, he could just see me. And that day, me and my wife was sitting there having dinner. I wanted to go somewhere else, but the moment my wife saw the restaurant, the Indigos, she said, "We'll go there." And we landed up there, and Ramoji spotted me. I was looking like a very normal guy. I don't know how could he gauge that I could play such a violent character. And that's how my casting was done. Nobody would believe it, but this is the fact.
But I must say, the credit goes to your
To
wife.
my wife once again.
Because if she has not taken you to the restaurant, see the destiny. It's a great story, right?
it's a great story.
Getting a role like this, you're just going for a dinner.
Because the assistant director told him that, "Sir, this guy is an actor. He's just done a wonderful job in Gulal, directed by Anurag Kashyap." So he said, "Okay, I haven't seen Gulal, but yeah, okay, call him. I want to meet him."
So now that day, and now Ram Gopal Verma, what kind of connection you have? Did you talk on phone?
Yeah,
or,
we are in touch. I mean, every now and then, we are in touch.
In Mumbai, when he comes, he talks to you.
We are in touch.
So in Hyderabad, when you go and meet him? Like,
this time we could not meet because this time the schedule has been very tight. But yeah, very soon
But you had a
we'll catch
great
up.
time working with him?
Yeah. Always.
There was any incidents or anything you can still remember, because sometimes we have memories we love to share and people love to hear it. भूलते नहीं है. अरे रक्त ऋतम का नाम आता है, बुक्का रेड्डी आता है, तो they can't leave that.
Correct.
So anything you have like to share about it?
बहुत कुछ है. जैसे फर्स्ट डे का ही शूट था. He said, "Please don't mind, but I am getting you killed today itself."
Who said this?
Ramu ji.
अच्छा.
I said, "What are you saying, sir?" Well, no, don't take it otherwise. So this is the beginning. So end is the beginning. I said, "Okay." And when I started shooting, then somebody came and told me that, "Sir, the character you are playing, the real character was murdered here."
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, so we were shooting in the same premise also, Maheshwari complex or somewhere.
Okay.
So the first day in itself was very shocking for me.
Okay. Yeah. But I hear in one of your interviews you've been paid very less, yeah. I mean, what was your salary, or not salary, or we can say your first check in Telugu cinema?
Yeah, but for Rakt Charitra, of course, I had no name, but yeah, whatever payment I got, I was quite happy with it.
You can relate it. What you did with that?
Yeah, because I just wanted to prove myself as an actor. That was more.
So what was your first check? The Prasad. Yeah. How much it was?
It was less.
You can say that. That's okay. It's an inspiration that money doesn't matter for a good actor.
Rupees.
So what you did with that?
Nothing. I just gave it to my wife.
That's
to
it.
run the house. Yeah.
This is an inspiration. So whatever money you earn, you give it to your wife.
Yeah, of course. She only handles money. I can't.